we have disbursed 286 billion. That is about 286 billion 496 024 145. That is about 286.5 billion. This is about 77.4% of equitable share allocation for the year.
I know that before the Revenue Authority, the Kenya Revenue Authority and its predecessor were set up, it was a department in Treasury that was collecting money and it was facing the same challenges we are now facing in counties. And I think in the long term, it would be good to think of a revenue board, a county revenue board, that has responsibilities with targets.
The counties will be advised by the Comptroller of Budget to the extent to which they can budget for their own source of revenue funding. And that advice will be also based on, among other things, a recommendation from the Commission on Revenue Allocation.
Implementation of the proposed interventions to address the gaps addressed in these standard assessments will extensively work towards attaining OSR targets and at the same time unlock the potential that has not been reached to date.